vjerovatno svi u nas ovdje koji smo i koji se borimo vjerovatno za istu stvar. Ja sam...
So hello everyone, I'm glad I'm here and I'm glad to hear this applause that welcomed us. I hope that this means that you're supporting us and basically that we are in the same struggle all together.
Ja nisam bila na mostu hrabrih žena kad se to sve događalo, ali te hrabre žene su izabrali mene da im budem predsjednica mjesne zajednice.
So that morning I was not on the bridge with women on that specific morning, but they actually wanted and they elected me as their representative in the local council.
Zadovoljstvo mi je da ih zastupam i da vam ispričam istinu o njihovoj žrtvi.
So it is my very pleasure to represent them, to speak on their behalf and actually to tell their stories.
Od malena su me učili da uvijek istina treba da pobijedi. I tako se i ponašam u svom životu.
Ever since my childhood, I'm told that truth should be the imperative, and that is the way how I'm behaving all my life.
Istina je da je 69. godine bivša nam država dala koncesiju za vodu Zenici i Vitezu. Istina je...
So it is true that in 1969, former country, so Yugoslavia, gave the concession for the water supply for Zenica and Vitez municipalities from Kruščica.
Istina je da je ostao biološki višak radi biljaka, životinja, stoke, ptica, patki, divlji patki i nas, građana drugog reda.
So it is also true that what stayed is so-called biological minimum for all the animals and plants that are living in and next to the river. Also all the plants or all the birds and fish that are living there, but also for all the people from the second. So she's saying so-called second-class citizens from their community.
Istina je da je Kruščica bila za vrijeme Austro-Ugarske lovište Franje Josipa.
So it is also true that during the Austro-Hungarian Empire, this area was a hunting area for Franjo.
Istina je da je Kruščica imala 3 hotela, od kojih 2 ne postoje više, a 1 nije u funkciji.
So it is also true that before we had 3 hotels, as Ildos already said, it was really a famous touristic area. Out of those 3 hotels, 2 of them are not existing anymore and 1 is not in function.
I na kraju istina je da su biološki minimum htjeli da nam uzmu.
It is also true that they wanted to take even this biological minimum.
A mi nemamo drugu alternativu.
And we do not have other alternative.
Jer mi vodu za piće nemamo, zdravstveno ispravnu vodu.
Because we do not have water that is useful drinkable water apart from this.
Svako od nas ima neku malu kaptažu koja obično se zimi zamrzne i to je neka nesigurnost. Ne imate vi vodu sigurnu koju će vam... A tako je normalno da moramo imati svi da imamo gdje da se umijemo, da se okupamo, da operemo veš i tako da. U 21. stoljeću vijeku kako hoćete.
So it is also true that we do not have any other source. Basically, they have, like majority of the households, they have their individual like springs or wells, but all in total that is really insecure for the water supply, not only for drinking, but for for the living for the households, and it is really that is terrible to see that kind of scene of insecurity in water supply in 21st century.
Ja razumijem da je potrebna energija za mašine, ali potrebna i za ljude, jer mi bez vode ne možemo živjeti.
So I understand that energy is needed for any different kind of usages, but I also see that water is must, and that we cannot live without water.
Naši političari koji nas vode, jer ovo je sve politički, oni se ne brinu za širu zajednicu, oni se brinu samo za pojedince.
So our politicians, our representatives are obviously not taking care of the community or public interest, but they're only thinking about the private individual interest in this case.
Njima je bitno da pojedinac se bogati, a što će ispaštati nekoliko hiljada ljudi, to uopće nije bitno. To ja nikad neću razumjeti.
What I cannot understand, and I will never understand, is that politicians and decision makers are only interested in how individuals are becoming richer and richer. In contrary, leaving communities without their.
Nažalost, ovaj svijet pati od jedne, mislim da je to najteža bolest za koju ne postoji ni bolnica, ni sanatorij koji to liječi. To je pohlepa povezana sa korupcijom i to super funkcionira već 20 i kusur godina posle rata.
So I see in our society one disease that cannot be treated in any kind of hospital, and that is greed in combination with corruption, and that is making our society weaker and weaker.
Mislim da se narod počeo da budi iz možda neke učmalosti, možda se nismo snašli posle rata, možda smo svi bili još utučeni, ali evo trebalo je 20 i nešto godina da se probudimo, da neke stvari posložimo, da nešto se ne može raditi kao što se do sada radi.
So what is positive is that people are waking up. Obviously we needed a bit longer time, so after the war she said that obviously it was really quite period when somehow society needed to recover for almost more than 20 years. So now what is positive is that people are thinking more and really realizing what is happening behind those projects, and they are organizing themselves.
Mi smo angažirali advokata prošle godine i on piše tužbe i žalbe i ponovo tužbe jer stalno ministarstvo ponavlja, uvijek daje urbanističke saglasnosti građevinske dozvole. Iako je presuda koja je došla na sto našeg advokata 11.6. ove godine za okolišnu dozvolu da su izgubili, bez okolišne se ne može dobiti ni urbanistička ni građevinska, ali oni ponovo pišu i daju.
So in their battle, they also at one moment they engaged a lawyer, and this lawyer is really busy because he's constantly writing different complaints and lawsuits for different procedures. Ministry is constantly issuing different permits and actually ignoring different processes that are happening. What is great success is that on 11th of June they got the court decision in their favor, and then environmental permit is it's quite complex legal process, but let's say environmental permit is abandoned, but then ministry again started, and that is precondition for issuing other permits. But then she said that. Yes. No.
They should repeat the procedure.
Thank you, lawyer, for your.
I takve stvari nam samo umnožavaju troškove, jer svaki put za svaku tužbu treba 240 maraka, pa prvo za Kruščicu 1, pa za Kruščicu 2, tako su nazvali te mini hidroelektrane, koja je ironija, jer se nama planina zove Kruščica, rijeka Kruščica i selo se zove Kruščica. I zamislite sad i mini hidroelektrane se zovu Kruščica 1 i 2.
So what is burden for them is actually costs, because each of this each process, each lawsuit is costly. So it's 240 convertible marks. That means 120 euro each time lawyers submit lawsuit. And she said that she thinks that they are kind of playing with them because they are constantly going in a bit and around with those permits. She said that they also run two parallel processes for two hydropower plants. So one is called Kruščica 1 and another one is called Kruščica 2. And she said that also it's a bit symbolic and kind of stupid that they call the hydropower plants Kruščica, and Kruščica is name of the mountain, name of the river, name of the community of the village, and now even they call the hydropower plants the same name.
I to ponavljanje njihovo, izdavanje rješenja ponovo, to vam je samo trošak na trošak. Mi smo do sada dali 11.000 maraka za takve troškove. Želim da nas iscrpi i fizički i novčano, ali mi se ne damo. Naši ljudi 24 sata još uvijek dežuraju na mostu, iako je već hladno i prošla godina bila cijelu zimu. Ali nešto ih drži i želi da istrajemo i mislimo da bi trebala pravda da pobjedi, odnosno istina da pobjedi.
So she said that, as she already mentioned, that this is really costly. So she said in total they paid 11,000 marks, so 5,500 euros so far for the costs on the court. And what she sees is that they are trying to exhaust them physically, but also mentally in any different way. But they are not giving up, and they will not give up no matter what happens. She said that constantly they are for 24 hours keeping the river, so they are rotating the whole community. They are really well organized, and this is how they are keeping the river for more than a year. Now it is autumn and winter again coming, and it's really cold during the nights, but that will not make them weaker at all. And she said that they will not stop until the justice and truth will win in this case.
Želim da vam se zahvalim što ste nam dali podršku, evo samim aplauzom kad smo ulazili. To je bilo malo ovako da se čovjek naježi. Da ima još uvijek nade za planetu Zemlju, ako nam je ne unište, novog neće biti nikog.
So she's thanking again to all of you for your support, for the applause that you gave when they were entering. She said that it was really emotional for them, but all this gathering and your support is giving the hope that there is a chance for this planet, and she really hopes that things can be changed. No matter how many brand new tycoons and mafia are arising each day. So what they planned is the two of them will talk, but others they are all here together. So now it's time for questions. If there are some.
Valjda ćemo biti posljednji, nismo prvi u borbi za rijeku, ali nadamo se da ćemo biti posljednji i da će se na našem primjeru ostali koji žele da uzme vodu naučiti.
So she said that their plan is to actually continue with the fight for the river, defending the river. She said that there is no plan to move and there is no strategy for like leaving the river. She said that the moment that they are waiting is 19th of October, sorry, when they will have the court ruling regarding the case. But no matter what will happen, they will stay as long as it is needed to protect the river. I can actually maybe just add, because I'm familiar with the case, is that in parallel they are, what she didn't mention, is that in parallel they are initiating protection of the area. So that is that they are not only against the hydropower plant, that is of course really clear, but also they are proactive in protecting the whole area. Samo sam dodala još vezano za zaštitu područja. So they initiated scientific research and different like activities. Rekao sam da ste kod vrijeme evo naše istraživanje.
Da. I htjela bih samo da kažem ovoj kolegici tu u prvom redu iz Srbije. Pratila sam na televiziji što se i vama događa. Nadam se duboko i od sveg srca vam želim da ne doživite torturu i strah koji smo mi doživjeli.
So she sent a message to comment to colleague Nancy from Stara Planina. So she said that she's following for already some time what is happening in Serbia on Stara Planina. She's giving all the support for their struggle, and with all her heart she's hoping that they will not face any similar torture as they faced.
Hello, I'd come from the United States, and your story has been incredibly inspiring, and I think caused a lot of other people to take action for their rivers in our country. But how can we help you?
Kaže da je on iz Amerike, da je vaša priča jako inspirativna, širom svijeta, čak i Americi ste uspjeli da inspirišete i da okrenete na akciju mnogi ljudi. On ima pitanje na koji način oni vama u stvari mogu da pomogu.
Pa jedino način. Nama jedino pare trebaju za advokata, ni za šta drugog, za borbu ovu, pravnu borbu. Da. Jer nama stvarno ni za šta drugo ne trebaju pare. I mi skupljamo, prvo smo između sebe skupljali, a onda su nam se stvarno izašli u susret. Evo Patagonija, ja se zahvaljujem ovim putem. Neki nam pomažu novčano, neki pravnim savjetima, neki uz nas su, kao što je Centar za životnu sredinu Banja Luka, Crvena iz Sarajeva također. Ne smijem da nekog izostavim, svi nam pomažu stvarno, neko riječima, utjehom, neko pravno, neko novčano. Sad u ovom periodu, mislim, stvarno nam puno odnosi te tužbe. Prvo što mi plaćamo posebno tužbe, a posebno usluge advokata. Onda advokat nam je operisao koljeno, pa ga mijenjaju druge, pa opet mora se i to sada dopunjavati tako. Da.
So she's thanking for your question. She said that at the moment they really lack the financial support, unfortunately, and that is only for the legal activities. So basically they are repeating that like constantly, that they are not in a need for any for financial support for anything else, but for the legal activities. So they are paying the lawyer, and then they are having costs on the court in addition. So everything is related to the legal activities. And then she mentioned that so far they had huge support from Patagonia, but also from few other like organizations or individuals, and that is not only in financial but also in like advices coming there, giving them support. So and then she again thanks to Center for Environment, to us, and to organization Crvena from Sarajevo. But she said that there are many more that actually took part in supporting them. So especially because you are so far away, so you cannot be often here and present and give them different kind of support, but then also for others who are from abroad, she said that at the moment it is only this financial support that they are in need.
Up to the corruption ladders, I would say. We have the investor, and we have the former local municipality that okayed the hydropower plant building, but who gave the concession to them, to the investor? That's one. And what are the chances that concession would be withdrawn or killed? Because this is the only way I see you will really win this battle.
On pita s jedne strane ko je potpisao, ko je izdao koncesiju, sad malo hvala među ovim legalnim procesima, to je Tibor iz Hrvatske, i pita kakve su šanse da se u stvari povuče...
Prostorni plan.
Ne, nego koncesija.
Aha. Da.
Yes.
So there are legal cases already.
Reći ću ja da vidim. Evo ovako, moram vam reći da ovu koncesiju za Zenicu koja je bila data 69. godine, ona je istakla 99. godine. Federacija je produžila još 40 godina, 2003. zvanično, na 40 godina da uzimaju vodu.
So concession. Da, nego za hidroelektranu.
Ne, nije tako. A za biološki minimum je dao Srednjobosanski kanton. Srednjobosanski kanton.
Da pita za koncesiju za samu hidroelektranu.
To je,
Da, to da.
Vlada Srednjobosanskog
Vlada
kantona.
Srednjobosanskog. Da.
Translation.
Na
So you understood it was in English what he asked. So she explained that the concession for the water supply for Zenica was issued like long time ago, but then expired 1999, and then it was reissued, or how you can renewed in 2003. For 40 years, but that is for water supply. What Tibor asked is actually concession for the hydropower plant, who actually issued that, and then she said that it is Middle Bosna canton, Central Bosna canton.
Ja, Srednjobosanski kanton.
So chances for breaking. So chances we hope that are high for breaking up the concession agreement, because it is the process on the court at the moment.
Moram još
So they submitted the lawsuit against the concession agreement, and that is on the court.
Moram još nešto da vam kažem. Ovo pripremanje za gradnju mini hidroelektrane traje od 2007. godine.
Tajnost.
Od 2007. Priprema se, a počinje se grad 2017. 10 godina posle saglasnosti, posle date koncesije. Aneksi ugovora od 1 do 6 se produžavaju sve na određeni broj mjeseci, da li 18 mjeseci, da li 24 mjeseca i tako dalje, ali se ništa ne radi. Da bi se prvi put izašlo, to je bio 2. avgust 2017. Zadnji put su ponovo pokušali, to je 17.8. ove godine. Ponovo smo stali pred mašine i nismo dali da prođe.
Okay, I'll try to make it short. I think we need to listen. So, in short, she said that it is 10 years how long the process is ongoing. So, in silence. So, in 2007, the issuing process for the permit started, and in 2017, actually, it was visible. So, in the meantime, for 10 years, they didn't have idea what was happening, how actually they were constantly looking for the papers and how they were active in gaining the permissions. And constantly she said that new annexes for the concession agreement are signed, like addendums. But then also she mentioned that this year, again, the investor tried to start with the building. So it was 17th of August, almost 1 year after the first try. But then again, they blocked the road altogether as a community, and they resisted. So they tried, they blocked, and it was...
A 19.3. zvanično mijenjaju prostorni plan. 19.3. 2016.
So in 2000, she also mentioned in 2016 they were changing the spatial plan, what Hildusa mentioned about spatial plan.